some kind of bird out there. I don't know what it is or it was. Oh yeah, I don't know what it is. Somebody's out there in behind. It might be a flicker, I don't know. Oh, yeah, it's a flicker. Yay! Greedily guzzling. They really love suet. I don't know if we'll get him here. He's a biggie. You can hear them up in the bushes. Lovely. Might be a female. The color isn't that strong. Oh yeah, there it is. Yeah. It's kind of far away. Beautiful though. You see, that was one of my goals, Bill. Get a track. The jay's trying to get up there, but the flicker isn't going to move. Oh God, I gotta get steadier. I can, but I gotta go so close to the window. Look at it. Beautiful. You see, they can easily reach. I'll tell you, that jay wants up there. Here, look at him. They really guzzle it. Down here somewhere, this guy. Look at him. I keep working on this feeder. I have to keep working on. Oh, one of the perches came down already. I believe it's the squirrels that do that. See, that came down. Look at that. Beautiful bird. Twice we had a flicker in our chimney. It got caught in there. We managed to get it out. Look at the size of this bird. It's about the same size as those ravens. They stand a long time. Look at this. Oh, beautiful. My nature videos are getting 0 views. There, it just pooped. Yeah, 0 views. I think 2 of them came down. Oh, shit. I don't know what I'm going to do to keep those up. Yeah, 2 came down. Either have to keep putting them back, or I'm not sure what. This is how I want them. The jays need a heavier perch. Look at this guy. It's beautiful. It's up there a long time. What are you going to do about it, eh? Look at those whiskers. He's going to see me and then he's going to fly away. Who's out there? Oh, he's so beautiful. A nice profile, kitty. She do. He just has to keep watch, that's all. I guess I'll just have to go up there every day. Oh, that's a beautiful bird. That might be a male after all. Maybe a juvenile, I don't know. These guys, they're woodpeckers. Their beaks are like little drills, not little, big drills. This year's been outstanding. I got all those pileated videos. Amazing. Never saw pileated. There's a guy up here, so he's saying, "My turn! My turn! My turn!" We finally stabilized this feeder because it was swigging all over the place. And now look. He's trying to oust him and flying back and forth. Well, this is the best flicker video I've ever had. Look at him. Beautiful. When I first saw it up there, I thought, oh my God, look at the size. I thought it was a pigeon. It's like the body is about the size of a pigeon. You see? Now, it may not be interesting to watch one birdie, but to me it's like, wow. We had nothing at all in this yard for a long, long time. Not even a squirrel. He's getting all the seeds he likes the best. I'll tell you, those jays are mad. Looks like I'll be going out there every day to fix this. Unless I find something. The things are clipped. The perches are about 1.5 inches long. They're just not sufficient if you want to attract, the jays, which I do. He's up there along. He's still up there, Bill. Beautiful. He's going to eat about half of it.